Okay, let's see if I can get this motor together here. A long way from starting again because there's no electrics yet. Let's work on a carburetor instead. Okay, so let me get this stuff dialed in. Where'd my backing plate went off to? There's my screw that used to be in the backing plate. Okay, that goes on there. Screw disappeared. Went to the ground. Under the motor. There it is. Okay. Alright, so one screw in here just to hold it. Okay. So we got this line that goes in here. We got these little thin washers that go in there as a spacer. It might be might not be enough now. Let's see, I probably should check that again. Didn't really check that very good yet. Screw though. Clipboard hides everything. No screw. I just took them off. Should have been right here somewhere. Nope, didn't make it back in the pan, so I didn't put it in the pan. Should be right here in front of me. Don't see it. Wonderful. Kind of important part we need. Alright. Well, what the hell, it's just a screw. Don't need all those. There it is. Rolling away. It's on the other side of the bike trying to get away from me. Okay, that's pulled in tight. So I'm going to check this and a washer. We got one or two washers going to be used to take up the gap. Two. Seems to be too much. Good. One feels good. Tight there, so we're good. Okay, the original shims are good. One on each one. Perfect. Okay, so that's checked. Probably that tool I used. Okay, so that looks like that'll be good. Okay, I'm going to leave that semi-loose. Alright, so we got a breather bolt, a shim, and a breather. So we were putting a washer up inside of here, like that, but it has to go between the air cleaner backing plate, has to go between these. So pull that back off without hurting that O-ring. Stick it on there, stick the washer in there, find the breather wherever it went to, right here, it goes in there, and then everything gets tightened up. Okay, let's get that started. Okay, that one's started. Now get the washer, the other breather bolt. Now this one, the choke is in the way, so I'm going to move it up. Get the washer in here. I'll just get that up out of the way, it'd be easiest. Okay. This is the old style system, which is no longer being used, but when you have an old bike, you still use it. Okay, wiggle around, make sure you're not breaking something. The breather washer has to go up on the shoulder, so when it gets closer, it's going to want to bind up like we just did right there. So when the breather washer binds up like it just did, because it's too darn low, you got to push it back up. Or you got to crush the damn thing and break it. So you have to back off your tension. Hold the washer up where it belongs. Doesn't want to move. Back it off some more. Get it up where it belongs. There. It was up there. Okay, you get it right. There it goes. Goes in. It wasn't quite right. Forced it in. This one's already lined up, so we're good. Okay. Don't torque these just yet, because we got to get these all in here yet. These don't have the amount of slop that these here have. Okay, where's my Loctite at? These are not the correct screws. There's no lock wash on these. Will fall out, guaranteed. You must Loctite them every time, or get the right screws. So enough on there for 3 of these screws. Yeah, we got enough there. 2 of them got Loctite on them. Now you can change the main jet without taking this off, but you have to pull this all apart if you do it on a low speed jet. So I have a fat low speed jet in here on purpose, 31. The main jet is still semi-lean at 74 as I recall. I can change that as needed. Which I think will have to go up when the motor starts running better. I mean, as it breaks in. But you never know. It might not want more jet. It might want less jet, because of what it wants. The more efficient the motor is, the less jet it needs to make power. The more inefficient the motor is, the more jet you need. Kind of the opposite of what you'd think it would be. A little bit of torque, not a lot. Torque, about that much, not much. Make sure the choke goes up and down correctly. It does. Okay, all that's on there. Our air cleaner. And where's our screws at? They are not with the air cleaner. 3 screws. Oh, there's my pan. Another pan. 2 and 3. There's our 3 screws. These are going to vibrate a lot too and probably loosen up on us, but initially I'm going to not Loctite them. Okay, here's our air cleaner. This likes to fall down and be in the wrong spot. See, there's nothing keeping on there. It falls off. So you got to kind of reach up in there and hold this as you put the cover on it. Kind of interesting to do. So you just got to be quick about it. No screwing around. And you got to look for the screw hole. One of them. Don't care which one. Can't see squat. All he tells the air cleaner's not where it belongs. This pump is fighting me, so what's going on here? Can't figure out where it goes. Might as well stop, figure out where the hell it goes, because until you hold the right spot, you're never going to get it on. Okay, got about a finger gap in this back hole, front hole. Okay, where's my air cleaner at? It's a nice dirty air filter. It's perfect. I'm going down Mirage is dirty up there. It'll get dirtier. Okay, that's in there. Got a hold in the back. It's a nice solid impact. I like that. Sounds like you're on screw mounting system somewhere. There's one right there. Air cleaner popped out. Feels like it anyway. Maybe not. Push very flat. Whatever. Can't see it anywhere. And that screw just fell out because I didn't have it in far enough. Come on. Started this time, kind of. Not really, see. Okay, this thing's fighting me. Like everything else around here. Screw one for a siesta someplace. Oh, it's on top of the large footboard bracket. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. We have safety wire this damn thing in there. Leave it there. It's going to go on that side of the choke lever, and when you do that, your cleaner pop out. I think it's in. No, it's in. I don't know, it's pretty flimsy feeling. Flimsy. Ooh, it's bright. Where's the hole at? What hole? There it is, way up there.